The topic that I am going to discuss with you today is basic computer organization. Have you seen a computer? Do you know what is a computer? Is it a human being? Is it a living thing? A computer is an electronic device. It is made up of electronic components and uses electric energy or electricity to operate. So, a computer is a machine. It is made up of many components and it consumes electricity to operate. Some of us are using computers at home. Nowadays, computers are an integral part of our lives. They are used for the reservation of tickets for airplanes and railways, payment of telephones and electricity bills, deposits and withdrawal of money from the banks, processing of business data, and so on. Computers are also used extensively in schools, universities, organizations, scientific research, and industries. So, as I have said, a computer is made up of different components. There are many components of the computer, but today I would like to discuss with you only the basic parts of a computer. All of us, being a human being, we have the different parts of the body. The different parts of our body functions differently from one another. Similarly, the function of the parts of computer is different from one another. Can we see with our ears? Can we smell with our eyes? Can we hear with our mouth? No, because the function of the body parts are different from one another. Similarly, a computer have its own parts and these parts are different from one another. Some of the basic parts of a computer are monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse, speakers, and printers. These are the basic parts. Can we hear with the eyes or can we smell with the ears? No. We can see with our eyes and we can speak with our tongue. So, whenever we see things around us, it is being taken to as input. We read those things around us, and when we speak, it is going out from us. So, it is an output. We are producing noise, we are making sound. So, it is an output when we speak. So, similarly, a computer have got its own devices in different categories. Some are input device, some are output device, and some is a processing unit. Suppose one boy suddenly slap you so hard, will not you react? If you are alive and your brain is functioning well, then for sure you will react to it, right? You might cry or you might fight back. That is your reaction. So, here, when someone slaps us, it is like an input to our brain, a brain process. And as we are alive, we can feel the pain and we react towards it accordingly. And it is like an output. Similarly, a computer takes inputs, process it, and give us the required results as output. So in this picture you can see some of the input devices: keyboard, mouse, camera, mic, and some output devices: monitor, speaker, printer. This one in the middle is the processing unit. So CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It includes the arithmetic logic unit or the ALU, the control unit or the CU, the registers, and the memory. When we say CPU, it is just a case or the cover that looks like a box. So when we talk about CPU, we mainly talk about the things or the components inside it, not about the external case. So processing in the CPU is done in the internal components, not the cover or the case. So the term computer is derived from the word compute. It is an English term. Compute means to calculate. A computer takes input from the user, then processes it and gives the output or display. When someone calls us with our name, we respond to that. So when someone calls us, we hear with our ears. So that is an input. The name that we are hearing is an input. And we think with our brain. So some process is going on with us. If it is our name, we respond. So that is the output. So similarly, a computer follows this principle: the input, process, and output. So I hope you understand whatever I explained today. It is just an introduction parts. The details we will be doing next class. So thank you and have a nice day.